Yes? Okay. Now I'm showing you, hold on. I'm showing you a 3D map of Israel. Do you see the map of Israel in front of you? Okay. So now we see where the mountains are, where the valleys. And this is very important. We've got the coastal plain down here on the left side. We're standing in the Mediterranean Sea, facing east. So I apologize if any of you get wet. So we are looking east, and we've got the coastal plain. We have the Sharon. You see it says Plains of Sharon. We've got Haifa on this mountain range, the Carmel. You can see how the Jezreel Valley, Valley of Jezreel, separates between Shomron and the Galil. Can you all see that? It says Lower Galilee, Valley of Jezreel, and the Shomron. And then we have the hills of Judea, right below the Shomron, where Jerusalem is. We got the Jordan River Valley. We have the Shvelah, the lowlands. Okay, so you can see a bit clearer now where these different ranges of the country. And of course, in the north, we have the Golan Heights. And just north of the Golan Heights, we have even higher than the Golan Heights is Har Hermon, where you can go skiing in Israel. It's really cool. In Israel, you could go skiing in the morning and be scuba diving by the afternoon in Eilat. If you drive pretty fast, but you could do it. All right, so here we have a 3D view of Israel, and now let's look from the other side. Actually, before we do that, something that's very important to note. You see these little rivers coming out of the Shvelah? These blue lines coming out? Yeah, okay. So this is a very important concept in Israeli geography and topography. These are called nechalim. Nechalim. Not to be confused with neharim, which are rivers. A river is something that has water all the time. But a nachal, or the Arabic word is called a vadi, W-A-D-I. A vadi, it generally only has water during the winter months when it rains. But when it's not wet, these are great mountain passes where you can climb into the mountain area easier than if you keep going over little mountains. If you, as you can see here, Sorek, let's zoom in on Sorek. Just follow the riverbed and you can get into the main area of the country instead of going through these hills to the right and to the left. Can everyone see that? That the Sorek cuts right into the country? Okay. And you also have that with Ha'elah and also Ayalon. Not so much the Yarkon, but Ayalon, Sorek, Ha'elah, and Lachish. There are many other Nechalim. These are some of the main ones. But this is an example of understanding where these riverbeds are, helps us understand why certain battles in Tanakh happened where they did. And we will learn about that throughout the course of the year. Okay, the last thing I want to show you, we only